Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create a chart in Google Sheets. Let's get started. Here I have created a table that I want to make it as a chart. And the first thing we should do, we have to select this table like this and click on insert option right here. And since we want to make a chart, we can click on chart. Then wait. All right, and now the chart has been created. And if we want to change the chart type, we can simply click on this chart type and choose the chart that you like. I'm going to choose column chart, so I'm just going to click on column chart right here. Then if we want to change the fill color of this chart, we can click on customize, then click on series and choose the fill color that you like. For example, I'm going to choose purple. All right, just tap on it. And if you want to change the title of the chart, you can simply click on the title and just edit the title. For example, I'm going to add income per month. Oh, I'm sorry. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a chart in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.